Okay, the next technique we're going to go over is called windstorm in our style. It's called irimi nage, or entering throw in American, irimi nage in Japanese. And we're going to do it against the overhead strike. And what this is basically doing, in old days it was meant for against the sword knife attack. We use it only for a club, overhead club attack. And after I demonstrate this, what I want to do is I want to give you a couple of the combat applications to this. You have to train it this way, but the combat application is just a little bit differently. I'll have to do it very slowly because there's no way that you can train this at full speed. Okay? Doing slowly. As he comes in, we do what we call an upward hemming block as you take a step forward with the rear leg. And this hand turns with your hip and you grab palm the side of the guy's head. This hand goes down here, you have like an arm bar against your body. This hand's coming towards you, this one here is like this, and you just turn your hips, getting the guy to turn around. You have him off balance here. Okay, from here, the hand down here will come up and hit up underneath the chin and then point down. Once it is pointed down, you have him off balance. You're going to take a diagonal step and drop your body weight. Slowly. Cam it up. See what it's doing to him? He's making him lose his balance right there. Turn down, palm the head, spin him around. Hit, down, step forward, and down. Let's go this way with it. They call this technique the 20-year technique. You can see why. It takes that long to master. There's a lot of movement in it. It's a good technique to play with and practice with it. Okay, now we're going to go over the combat application to this. What you're wanting to try to do, you have a couple things that you can do with this. If you only have one attacker, you can literally destroy the attacker with this technique. Once you come around here, you go to here, you wrap up, this hand grabs, you take a step forward, and you drop the attacker across your knee, breaking his spine. You can imagine the force of that technique has done in combat speed, what kind of force you'd be doing to this technique, this guy. Here to here. Grab and down. Okay, that's one. Now for multiple attackers, here's a variation of this technique. Once you grab here, you have this choke and throw. You want to throw the guy, breaking his neck, choking him out, and as well as throwing him. There's not very many people on the face of the earth can take that throw. Okay? One more time. Okay?